Hey everybody, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. So my son's car just broke down and I had to come give him gas for his car, but it wasn't that he was out of gas, it was that the line came off of the fuel pump. And I just realized why it would have been worth $15,000 to pay for full self-driving, and that is that we just had to push his car to the other side of this high school, and then I had to walk all the way back to my car to drive it. So if I had full self-driving, I could have called my car to me, but instead I'm walking in 103-degree weather right now in the sun, and as you know, I am a redhead, so I'm hot, I'm tired, I have been working all day. I've done, I don't know, 35 cases at work today, and now I am walking and baking in the sun. So in case you're wondering if it's worth getting full self-driving, today would be the first day in 3 years that I said yes. Or at least a trial. You might be wondering, how did I get the gas in my car? How did I transport it here? Well, like any genius person would do, I put explosive, deadly gas into a trash bag, and then I tied it in a knot where the gases can't escape and will likely expand. Then I put it in my car with me and drove on the freeway to get here. So I'm just doing great today. Now I'm going to show y'all how far I had to walk back to my car since I don't have full self-driving. And honestly, I don't even know if it would have called my car to me this far away. Let me try to see how far away I really am. I'm going to check on my phone. All right. So apparently we are 0.3 miles away. I walked 0.3 miles back to the car. I don't know, would full self-driving have called my car to me 0.3 miles away? I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, I still have a crack in my windshield. This is the second broken windshield that I've had since I've had my car in 3 years. So I did just recently finally pay an extra $40 a month on my Progressive insurance to get a 0 glass deductible. That means that I can replace any glass on my entire car for free, 0 deductible, as many times as I want, but it cost me an extra $40 a month for that. $220 or something every I can't even think of it right now, you know, the insurance period or whatever. So that is my son over there in my old Mazda, and this is how far I had to walk back to the car. The one and only time that I would have thought that full self-driving would have at least been worth the $200 a month. The $200 a month subscription. But unfortunately, I canceled that a while back. All right, here we go.
Still broke even with the tool.
Cool.
Oh, dude, I can drive down here and know what gas I got now. Oh. See the hose record? I knew it. Yeah. Lasted a while.
Smells yummy.
Yeah, it did. $27, redneck style. It worked. We had better hose.
Straight into the gas tank?
Yeah.
Underneath the back seat.
Yeah.
Wow, it's crazy.
Yeah. Oh.
The whole fuel pump?
Yeah.
Huh, interesting.
Yeah, look, that's where it blew up.
Oh, wow. Gasoline. If I drop my phone in there, that'd be fun.
See how they do all that freaking redneck shit?
Mm-hmm. It's alive! It worked! my little brother is definitely the hero. He drove an hour and a half to get here, met at my house, and then drove to the school and switched out the fuel pump in 8 minutes. And the hose had blown on the fuel pump, and that's why it wasn't working, which he knew because he actually was supposed to replace the fuel pump this weekend. My son was going to drive out there tonight, and they were going to fix it this weekend, but my other son drove it to summer school today, and it blew up on the very last day of use before they fixed it. So thankfully my brother borrowed my dad's tool to come and fix it on the spot in the school parking lot, which no, that was not my son's school, in case anyone's wondering. So yeah, it is fixed. The car was also out of gas apparently, but it still had like 3 gallons in it. So, and can you believe my brother's freaking diesel bill? Oh my god. I offered to pay for it and he was like, no, it's fine, you don't want to pay for this. I'm like, no, it's fine, I owe you a ton of money anyway. And yeah, $170 to fill up his tank, and he wasn't even on empty, I don't think. So he said it's like $300 to fill up the diesel tank in his truck. No thank you. No thank you. I will not be buying a diesel truck. I will be buying a Cybertruck. Although I can say that the range does still suck in a few places, but not as bad as paying for diesel. So, but not as bad as paying for diesel. So that is the end of the story. My brother saved us. The car is fixed. We're going home. We are hot. We are sweaty. We are tired. We are hungry.